why. Why do we do it?
Honestly, I do it because I like talking to people, and honestly, this is how I get to talk to people. Is I mirror dwell half the time.
Right. But it's also so you can see that you're in the group.
I'm Patrick. In the virtual world VRChat, I'm known as Ramen Noodles. Come follow me.
These avatars I have.
Honestly, yeah. And then
Let me
when you
see
go
how
into
many
a black
avatars
hat
I
and you
have for
meet
these
like
versions.
new people, and like it's really fun to help them because like
Yeah.
you've been on here for a while and you're like, yeah, you're new. That's really cool. Well, I got such a nice
I have
welcoming
11
when I first got on.
avatars.
You
And
got
what a lot-
11 avatars?
Also, I think
I
a
got Venom.
reason why we do a lot of mirror dwelling in VRChat, especially in VRChat, is because VRChat has one of the cutest avatars, more than most virtual worlds
Oh
do.
my god. There's really cute avatars that everyone has. They're super fun to like put on.
We're hearing some good music here at the Mirror. This guy's playing fantastic music.